In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress website to GoDaddy seamlessly and efficiently. Let's begin by accessing the GoDaddy website. Start by clicking your name in the top right corner, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, click on My Products. This is where all your GoDaddy products are located. Next, scroll down to the web hosting section and click Setup. This will begin the setup process for your hosting account. After that, you'll need to choose the domain you wish to use for your migrated WordPress site. Once you've made your selection, click Update to proceed. Selecting a data center is the next step. Choose a location that's closest to your primary audience for better site performance, then confirm your choice by clicking Yes, let's do it. Enter your WordPress username and password. Remember, this is crucial for accessing your WordPress dashboard later. Once you click I'm done, continue setup, head over to the dashboard and click on cPanel Admin. This is where you'll manage and configure your site settings, but before you dive in, let's create an add-on domain. This step allows you to host multiple domains on a single hosting account, a useful feature if you plan to expand. We'll go back to the GoDaddy main interface, click Manage All under the Domains area, then head over to DNS Settings. Choose Manage Zones and type in your domain name to access its DNS management page. You'll come across sections labeled Name Servers, and here you'll find the needed information to transfer to another registrar, like Namecheap. Now for the Namecheap step, you'll paste the name servers you copied earlier. This is essential for redirecting your domain to your GoDaddy hosting. Next, we'll ensure everything is set up securely by installing an SSL certificate. This is crucial for HTTPS access and to make your visitors feel safe with a padlock in the URL bar. First, enter your domain details and email address into the SSL enrollment form, and then click HTTP and accept. Choose Create Free SSL Certificate. This might take a moment. You'll need to download a couple of files during this process. Keep them handy as we'll be using them soon. Back on GoDaddy, access the hosting settings in cPanel. We'll fill out the appropriate form fields, then go to File Manager for some quick file management. Create a folder name with a snippet from Punch Salad, then delve into well-known directories where you'll add our SSL challenge folder. Now is the time to upload those files we downloaded from Punch Salad, verifying your domain through their platform. After a successful upload and verification, go back to cPanel, search for SSL, and click Manage Sites under the SSL section. You'll then be prompted to select a domain and follow the guided steps to input the SSL certificate sections. Each bundle of code needs to be placed in its designated field, the certificate authority bundle, and the private key. After careful pasting, click Install Certificate, and that's it. Your WordPress site is now securely migrated to GoDaddy. Enjoy a smooth, seamless experience as you explore the new features and settings available to you.